Ladies and gents, this is your man, the boy, IMC, the Paris, man. You can see this sunset evening video through this forest. They have timbers over here. These trees, they will continue living because they have so much, but these ones are protecting the land, protecting the erosion not to be so much. And if the state is looking for a wood, they will order people to come and cut the amount that they want. Yes. So this is just the road for those machines that they use to cut these trees and treat them very well and carry it to where they have to use it. Yes, so you will never see anybody from his house or from her house with cutlass. They're coming into this forest, start cutting any tree anyhow. And the government authorities, if they are in need of wood, it's either they come here or they go to another forest. They have a lot of forest reserves, a lot of trees. You can see that one in winter time. Snow has fallen on it so much, so it has fallen down. And crossing the road, this is where it is starting from, and crossing the road to this area, and then they cut it, carry it away. So deep inside this forest I was before. Now I'm closer to the main street. It's like 100 or 200 meters away from here, and I'm going home right now. Yes. So going home is like descending. So I started walking from the other side because my memory was full. My phone memory was full up, and I have to delete some of the videos, some of the pictures to record this 15 minutes or 20 minutes walk video for you guys to see how the area looks like. So it's summertime, let's say 15 minutes to 22 o'clock or 10 minutes to, yes. So when I get to the town, when I have a good reception, then I'll load this video for you guys to see how summertime in the evening looks like. You can check inside the forest. Actually, if you are here watching inside naturally, not through the video, it's dark. But the camera has night sensor, so it has make it clear, as if light is inside. Like 4 o'clock evening, the sun sets at this area, so you can see that it's more white, clearer than this area. They're far away I was coming from. Yes. As I was inside there, I was getting afraid. So I walked quickly to go out of the typical dark side of the forest, get to the clearer side. You can hear some animals coming out because it's getting dark. So I can hear some noises, but I can't see anything but those evening birds, because the sunset is still there, so they are still flying around. I see some people riding bicycle by. You can see these logs over here. They cut it from inside and carry it to this place. From these rings, you can read how old this tree is, how old it is. From the ring, not this splitting side, no, rather the natural ring. You can count it there and know how old the tree is. Yes. You can see what I was telling you. These trees are not having tap root, rather shallow rooted trees are here. So if the wind blows or snow